Okay, this is the chicken.
Already seasoned.
We have already washed, cleaned, and put seasoning in it. The wifey is gonna describe to you what went in it right now.
So the chicken have green seasoning that we make in the house,
What is in it?
which is have green onion, celery sticks, parsley, thyme, basil, garlic, onion, ginger, shadowbeni, oregano, and also we used dry ingredients also, which is oregano, chicken seasoning, and paprika, and also Scotch bonnet pepper being added to the green seasoning.
We're gonna add it
So
to the
it's-
pan now.
So we are gonna add it to the pan, and then it goes straight in the oven. Temperature, we put it 350 in a convention oven, and you could bake it in your regular oven at 35 to 50 minutes. And when it's almost 10 minutes before it's ready, I will add the barbecue sauce.
And then we're gonna show you guys the final product.